Greetings and salutations, my lovely little Bytelings. My name is Wiggy, and today I'll be talking about Conan Exiles' new expansion, the Frozen North. If you're unfamiliar with Conan Exiles, it's an open-world action survival game that may or may not be an MMORPG, as it really depends on whom you ask. As some people say it is, while others will say it is not, because it has dedicated servers just like the ones found in Citadel Forged with Fire or Ark Survival Evolved, and a bunch of other MMOs. But this is a whole nother discussion, so let's just go back to Conan Exiles. Back on track, Conan Exiles expansion will be adding a whole heap of new content, and even expanding on the actual game world by around 70%. So that's a pretty insane increase in land size. Besides the landmass increase, they've also added temperature and weather. For instance, the northern areas have snow, and because it's a survival game, you can die from being cold. Same goes for spending too much time in the desert, however, as you can be scorched alive from a burning heat, adding a new element to the survival aspect in Conan Exiles, where you'll need to dress and have ample supplies for your travels. There will also be new resources in the game, and as such, there will also be new building types and furniture for the new weather system. And of course, with the new land that's been added, there will also be new monsters that fit with the new landscape. The expansion also adds 2 new crafting professions, brewing and cooking, which is pretty self-explanatory, so I don't think I need to go into much detail on that. Then there is of course new armor types that will also be regionally themed, giving you warmth or keeping you cool. Besides all of this, the expansion also improves generally upon the game and its world, with improved combat, smarter AI for humanoid enemies, and of course climbing. Now this expansion will be available at the 16th of August for PC, Xbox One, and PlayStation 4. Also note that this expansion is free. So a question for you Bytes, will you be playing this once it's out in August? And if the answer is no, why not? Either way guys, thank you for watching, and as always, good day, night, or afternoon wherever it is where you are, and I will see you guys in the next video.